Hello, my name is Praveen Andrews. My friend, welcome to this video. Using a mortar and pestle or small blender, combine the 1-inch piece of chopped ginger, (2.5 cloves of garlic, and 1.5 teaspoons of water to form about 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, and keep it aside. Heat 1 tablespoon oil in a frying pan, wok or kadai pan over medium heat. Add 2 cups of chopped onions or shallots, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt to it, and saute for 7 minutes, stirring frequently until the onions shrink and appear shiny. Add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 2 chopped green chilies, 12 curry leaves, and cook and stir for 3 minutes. Add half tablespoon red chili powder, 2 tablespoons coriander, 1/4 teaspoon ground black pepper, and half tablespoon turmeric, and saute for 2 minutes, stirring as you go along. Since oil usage is at a minimum, stir frequently to prevent food from sticking to the bottom of the pan and to produce even browning and cooking. At any time during the saute, if the food sticks to the bottom of the pan, add 4 tablespoons to up to a cup of water, or even more if needed. Add 1 chopped tomato, increase the heat to high, and cook for 2 minutes. Add 1 pound lean stew beef or beef tenderloin. And the remaining half teaspoon of salt, and stir for 3 minutes until the beef is nicely coated with the spices. Add 1.5 cups of water and bring the mixture to a boil. Cover the pan with the lid, reduce the heat to medium-low, and simmer for about 40 minutes up to an hour, or until the beef is tender. Most of the water should have dried up, leaving only a thin coat of curry over the beef pieces. Add 1/4 cup light coconut milk and 1/4 cup of water, and bring to a boil by turning the heat to high. Reduce heat to medium and simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. Remove pan from the heat. Garnish the dish by sprinkling about 12 curry leaves on top, and about half teaspoon homemade garam masala. Lightly stir so that the garam masala and curry leaves blend into the dish. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful in any way, don't forget to click the like button. And I'd recommend you check out one of the videos listed on the screen, just like this one. And I'll see you in the next video.